Hello students, in this video let us discuss some exceptional reactions of the sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is a reducing agent. It is a weak reducing agent than the lithium aluminum hydride. So it reduces specific functional groups. So first of all, the aldehyde and ketones can be reduced to the alcohol. So you know that mechanism, I think. Okay, so next, acidic halides are reduced to the aldehydes are reduced to the alcohols. Okay, so you know this one. And now here, esters, amides, carboxylic acids, cyanides are not reduced by the sodium borohydride. Okay, so generally it involves a nucleophile attacking from the BH4 minus. Okay, from the BH4 minus, H minus attacks on this case. That means H minus acting as nucleophile. So here this is the electrophilic site. So actually acidic halides are more reactive. And next, aldehydes, ketones towards nucleophile. Okay, and then anhydrides, esters, like that. So these three more reactive compounds are reduced by the sodium borohydride. Okay, so acidic halides first reduced by the aldehydes are reduced to the alcohols. So in this case, first of all, that BH4 minus, okay, H minus replace the Cl minus, so that is nothing but acyl nucleophile substitution, and then it is reduced to the alcohol. Okay, that, next, esters, amides, carboxylic acids, cyanides are not reduced, but interestingly that imine can be reduced. Okay, CH double bond NH, this compound is a imine. So imines can be reduced by the sodium borohydride. Okay, that is converted to CH2 NH2. That means here H, here BH3. These imines reactions are similar to the carbonyl group. The transfer of this one, so we will get the RCH2 bond NH minus Na plus. Now this one on acid workup, so we'll get the RCH2 and NH2. Okay, that's it. Now here imines can be reduced because of the polar nature. Carbon nitrogen, there is a difference in the electronegativity, but here double bonds are not reduced, and nitro compounds are also not reduced by the sodium borohydride. Okay, so next, here we will discuss some specific reactions of the sodium borohydride. Here in this case, sodium borohydride, aldehydes and double bond is not reduced. Okay, so alcohol is formed only. Okay, now here generally nitro group is not reduced, but there is a conjugation with pi bond here in this case. So here N double bond O, here D2 bond O. Here from this one BH3 and here H minus. So H minus attacks on this carbon. So we will get this one. So here hydrogen double bond N O minus, here this one. So followed by acid workup, that means here methyl alcohol is the proton acceptor. That means this is one accept the proton from the solvent methyl alcohol. So here the product is double bond NOH. Okay, so here now it is converted to enol. That means it is a enol actually. So that is converted to again similar compound. There is a nitro compound. So by the conjugate addition here, the double bond is reduced. But in this case, conjugate addition is not possible because this aldehyde is more reactive towards sodium borohydride. That's why a reaction takes place. Okay. Now generally esters are not reduced with sodium borohydride, but whenever this double bond is in conjugation with the ester, this ester is not affected, but here double bond is reduced, as in this case. That means here MEO and double bond O, here CH3 and this phenyl. Okay, and these two examples are collected from the most famous book, that is Organic Chemistry by Jonathan Clayton. Okay, and next here some more exceptional reactions of the sodium borohydride. Again here double bond is not reduced, the keto group is reduced to the alcohol, so you'll get the allyl alcohol in this case. Now here by treating with that, here in this case 5-membered ring. So in this case, if a 5-membered ring double bond is not reduced, that is the product. If double bond is reduced, this is the product actually. Okay, for the 5-membered ring here, this is the 90% of the yield we will get. Okay, that means here the conjugate addition takes place. Conjugate addition takes place. Why the conjugate addition here can be possible, here conjugate addition is not possible? Okay, so because of the strain of the compound. Here in this case, this carbon contains two hydrogens, this carbon contains two hydrogens, so sp3 means here 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay, here internal angle is 108. Per the pentagon internal angle is 108, so angle difference is almost negligible. But in this case here, this carbon is the sp2 and this carbon is the sp2 means here 120 degrees, here in this case 120 degrees. Okay, so now here the sp2 120 and internal angle is 108, so 120 minus 108, so that 12 degrees difference. Okay, now here after reduction there is a less angle difference, that means almost here negligible. So here there is a relief of strain by reduction of the C double bond C. Okay, so but in this case here this sp2 carbon, so hybridization bond angle 120 and internal angle for the hexagon is 120, so the double bond is not easily reduced. Okay, so there is no relief of strain if double bond is reduced to the alkane. That means in this case sp3 means here 109 degrees 28 minutes, so internal angle 120, so again here strain increases. If double bond is reduced, the strain is increases. So with weak reducing agent that is not possible here, even though it is a weak reducing agent, because of the strain relieving in this reaction, so the double bond is reduced, we will get the 90%. Here in this case this is a 95% of the product. Okay, you can see in the Jonathan Clayton organic chemistry book. Now in this case, very interesting, this double bond is not reduced because that is not in conjugation actually. Okay, so you know that the mechanism of that conjugate addition reaction, for suppose here double bond O pi bond, here H B H, here H H. Okay, so whenever this is in conjugation, it has a polar nature. The pi electrons transfer to this one, so this one carries a positive charge, H minus attacks on this one. Okay, but here generally in norm, that means in this case this double bond is not polar because carbon carbon, but in this case here due to presence of the carbonyl group, this double bond also polarized. So we can see the resonating structure like this, O minus double bond, here positive charge. That means here the C double bond is polar, that's why it is readily attacked by the H minus. Of course here also polar, but in this case if it is reduced, that bond angle strain increases, so that is converted to 109 from the 120. Okay, strain increases. So here 5-member ring, there is a double bond, that there is a relief of the strain, that's why the double bond is also reduced through the conjugate addition reaction. Okay, that's it. First here double bond is reduced, then the carbonyl group is also reduced. But in this case this double bond is not in conjugation. So that means here this one has no charges, this terminal carbons have no charges, this double bond is not a polar in nature, that's why this group is only reduced, so double bond remains unaffected. This is the 100% product. Okay, when it is not in isolate, when it is not in conjugation, the double bond is not reduced even though it is in 5-member ring. Okay, that is a very noticeable point here. And next here the Luce reduction. What is this Luce reduction? Here by using sodium borohydride and cerium chloride. So first of all here the cerium chloride form a complex with the cerium. The cerium has a vacant orbitals, so that's why here oxygen cerium Cl3, here negative charge, here positive charge, this pi bond. Now here from the BH4 minus, here in this case this oxygen becomes a more electron deficient, so here the radius shift of the electrons. Okay, so this oxygen is a more electron deficient because of the positive charge, so that creates more positive charge on this carbon, so H minus readily attacks on this case. So here in this case only that H, here O cerium chloride, here minus, and then here followed by acid, that means on reaction with the methyl alcohol solvent, so we'll get the H and oxygen, here hydrogen. So double bond remains unaffected while using the cerium chloride, any Lewis acid, so that form a complex with this one, so that increase more positive charge on this carbon, so it is readily attacked by the H minus. Okay, not through the conjugate addition reaction. So that's why here in this case double bond remains unaffected, there is a Luce reduction reaction. Okay, so here generally Okay, so the reactions of the sodium borohydride, and these are some exceptions. So very important reactions these are. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.